Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fibin Electrical Services Inc. So in today's video here, what you'll see is a set of drawings that was provided to me to basically lay out the home. The drawing came without, if you can see, I have a couple markings here. So the drawing basically came plain as it is. No drawing, no marking on the drawing, nothing like that. So it was basically up to me to lay out this house according to the code, which I did. These are basically speakers. If I turn the other page here, this is what I laid out on the drawing, just in case the guys start to install their drywall. I know where everything is. It's according to the drawing. Everything is laid out. And so basically, yeah, that's it. That's how you lay out your drawing to code, pretty much, with your measurements. And you have to be pretty knowledgeable to be able to do this. Please like, share, and subscribe to my videos, and also leave a comment in the comment section. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is basically a drawing of laying out on the drawing what I did in the house. As you can see, these are all the lighting, all the receptacles. This is basically the first floor. Everything is laid out. I have my feeds going back to the panel. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fibin Electrical Services Inc. So the set of drawings I showed you previously was basically a mini drawing. These of course are the bigger drawings. You can see that it's much bigger. And here what I did was I laid out my lighting. I laid out my receptacles with no information that was given. There's some information that's given on the drawing, but like I said, you have to be able to lay out the home with the knowledge and experience that you was given while being an apprentice and while coming up as a journeyman also. So it's not a 1 year or 2 year thing that you'll be able to do this stuff. It takes time, practice, and dedication. Please like, share, and subscribe to my videos. Thank you. And also leave a comment in the comment section. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fibin Electrical Services Inc. In this video, I'll be showing you my roughing of the pool house. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my videos. Here in this video, I have some pot lights in this area. You can see my pot lights. Okay, they all strapped down, my wires. Also, I have my switch. I have some plugs on the outside wall. I have a TV and a data cable here. This area is going to be a little mini kitchen. You can see I have my 20 amp receptacle. I have another 20 amp receptacle, and I have a fridge receptacle. Also, if you can see on this wall here, I'm going to have some outside lights. Okay. This area here is basically leading back down to the tunnel, where I'll have a switch and I will have one light inside this area. Okay. And also this area here is going to be my washroom. Okay, so I'm gonna have 2 pot lights, actually 3 pot lights. I'm going to be adding another pot light, 1 shower pot light, 1 GFI for the washroom. that's it for this video. Thank you. Okay, hi and welcome to my channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. at YouTube. Today I'm just doing some pot lights. This is outside, as you can see. I'm all the way up high. Okay, so I'm just starting my pot lights on the outside. And I still have a lot more to go. Please like, share and subscribe to this video. Thank you. This is the elevator. Couple pot lights. TV. Fireplace. This room is going to be the gym room. One fan, 2 speakers, pot light, receptacles, TV outlet, receptacles, and switches.
Oh baby, forgive me if I hurt.
One sump pump, heating floors, second sump pump, and my electrical panel is going to be somewhere in this area. Okay, so this room we have pot lights. Smoke detector. We have our plugs. My wires are all strapped. Data cable, TV. Chandelier box. This area is going to be open. There's going to be a chandelier right here. 2 pot lights. 3 pot lights, sorry. Shade windows. This is another bedroom. Smoke detector, couple lights. TV outlet, data, fireplace. This is going to be a closet, 1 light. We have the washroom, pot lights, door pot light, 1 fan, 1 niche. One receptacle for the toilet. GFI receptacle in the washroom.